Question 1. A polystyrene rod of length 300 mm and diameter 12 is subjected to a 3 kN tensile load unknown that E equal 3.1 GPa. Determine A. The elongation of the rod. B. The normal stress in the rod. So we have the L equal 300 millimeter, times 10 minus 3 meter. D equal 12 millimeter equal 12 times 10 minus 3 meter. The P equal 3 kN, 3 times 10 minus 3 Newton. E equal 3.1 GPa equal 3.1 times 10 power 9 PA. A PL over AE equal 3 times 10 power 3, 300 times 10 power minus 3 over 12 times 10 minus 3 over 4 power 2, 3.1 times 10 power 9 equal 2.57 times 10 minus 3. B P over A 3 times 10 power 3 over by 12 times 10 power minus 3 power 2 over 4 equal PA. It will be 26.53 MPa. Question 2. Two gag marks are placed exactly 250 mm apart on a 12 mm diameter aluminum rod with E equals 73 GPa and an ultimate strength of 140 MPa, unknowing that the distance between the gag mark is 250.28 mm. After a load is applied, diameter A, the stress in the rod, B, the factor of safety. So we have the E 73 GPa. It will be 73 times 10 power 9 PA. Alt equal 140 MPa. It will be 140 times 10 power 6 PA. The D equal 12 millimeter. It will be 12 times 10 power minus 3 meter. The L equal 250 millimeter. It will be 250 times 10 power minus 3 meter. 250.28 minus 250 equal 0.28 millimeter. It will be 0.28 times 10 power minus 3 meter. The A stress it will be PL over AE. L over E. E over L. So 73 times 10 power 9, 0.28 times 10 power minus 3 over 250 times 10 power minus 3. It will be 8176 PA. So the final answer is 81.76 MPa. Now we have the B. F is alt over all. So 140 times 10 power 6 over 81.76 times 10 power 6 equal 1.71. The third question, the rigid beam in the figure is supposed by link 1 and 2, which are made from a polymer material. E equals 16 GPa. Link 1 has a cross-sectional area of 400 mm square and link 2 has a cross-sectional area of 800 mm square. Determine the maximum load P that may be applied if the deflection of the rigid beam is not to exceed 20 mm at point C. Fy equals 0 minus F1 plus F2 minus P equals 0. Ma equals 0. The P 0.9 minus F2 0.6 equals 0. F2 P 0.9 over 0.6 equal 1.5 P. F1 equal minus P plus F2. F1 equal minus P plus 1.5 P. So F1 equal 0.5 P. F2 equal 1.5 P. Now F1 and L1 over A1 E1 equal 0.5 P 1000 times 10 power minus 3, 400 times 10 power minus 6, 16 times 10 power 9. The final answer is 7.8125 times 10 power minus 8 P. To F2 L2 over A2 times E2. .5 P 1250 times 10 power minus 3 over 800 times 10 power minus 6, 16 times 10 power 9. final answer is 1.465 times 10 power minus 7 p. And now we have the C plus A over B plus A equal 900 times 10 power minus 3 over 600 times 10 power minus 3. Now we put the numbers. 20 times 10 power minus 3 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 equal 1.5. Next step is 20 times 10 power minus 3 plus 1 equal 1.5. 2 plus 1.5 1. 20 times 10 power 3 plus 7.8125 times 10 power minus 8 p equal 1.5 equal 1.5 1.465 times 7 times 10 power minus 7 p plus 1.5 7.8125 times 10 power minus 8 p. It will be 20 times 10 power minus 3 equal 2.588 times 10 power minus 7 p. The last answer p equal 77276. Fourth question, a single axial load of magnitude 58 kN is applied at end C of the steel rod ABC, knowing that E equal 105 GPa. Determine the diameter D of portion BC for which the deflection of point C will be 3 millimeter. Fx equal 0 minus P plus 58 equal 0. P equal 58 kN. L equal 1.2 meter. And now A equal by D power 2 over 4 equal by 30 times 10 minus 3 power minus 3 power 2 over 4. So A equal 7.065 times 10 power minus 4 meter square. E equal 105 times 10 power minus 9 PA. PL over AE equal 58 times 10 power 3 1.2. 7.065 times 10 power minus 4 105 times 10 power 9. AB equal 9.38 times 10 power minus 4 meter. The BC Fx equals 0 minus P plus 58 equals 0. P equal 58 kN. The L is 0.8. A equal by D power 2 over 4. So A equal 0.785 D2. E equal 105 times 10 power 9 PA. PL over AE. 58 times 10 power 3 times 0.8 over 0.785 D2 times 105 times 10 power 9. GBC equal 5.63 times 10 power minus 7 over D2. Now BC equal AB plus BC equal 3 times 10 power minus 3. 9.38 times 10 power minus 4 plus 5.63 times 10 power minus 7 over D2 equal 3 times 10 power minus 3. 9.38 times 10 power minus 4 D2 plus 5.63 times 10 power minus 7 over D2 equal 3 times 10 power minus 3. 9.38 times 10 power minus 4 D2 plus 5.63 times 10 power minus 7 equal 3 times 10 power minus 3 D2. 5.63 times 10 power minus 7 equal 2.062 times 10 power minus 3 D2. D2 equal 5.63 times 10 power minus 7 over 2.062 times 10 power minus 3. D equal square root 2.73 times 10 power minus 4. D equals 0.0165 meter. So the final answer will be on millimeter. D equals 16.5 millimeter.